Hello, and welcome to the Advist Group's Project Management video series. In today's video, we'll begin by focusing on the most important person in any project, the project manager. That's why we'll take a closer look at the key qualifications and essential requirements for this role. An overview of the project manager's daily duties and areas of responsibility. The project manager is primarily responsible for the operational management of the project. This includes planning and executing the project effectively. To achieve this, they guide the team using strong organizational and communication skills. They are also responsible for controlling and reporting, tasks they typically coordinate in close collaboration with senior management. These 5 key qualifications are indeed crucial to the success of a project manager. Leadership quality. A project manager must be able to inspire, motivate, and lead their team. It's not just about giving instructions, but also about taking responsibility, building trust, and communicating a clear vision. A good project manager fosters a positive team dynamic and ensures that everyone is working together towards a common goal. Communication quality. Communication is absolutely essential in project management. A project manager must be able to communicate clearly and effectively with a wide range of stakeholders, whether within the team, with senior management, or with external partners. This involves not only sharing information, but also actively listening and understanding concerns and issues. Problem-solving skills. Every project faces unexpected challenges. A project manager must be able to find quick and creative solutions. This requires strong analytical thinking and the ability to make sound decisions, even under pressure. Organizational skills. A project manager must always maintain an overview of all aspects of the project. This includes planning and coordinating tasks, setting priorities, and ensuring the efficient use of resources. Strong organizational skills help keep the project on schedule and within budget. Stress resilience. Projects often involve high demands and tight deadlines, which can lead to stressful situations. A project manager must be able to stay calm and focused, even under pressure. Resilience to stress helps in making quick decisions, keeping a clear mind, and providing stability for the team. The requirements for a project manager are diverse and demand a broad set of skills, knowledge, and personal attributes. Below are some of the most important qualifications for the role. Strategic abilities. The project manager must focus on achieving the project goals. He is also responsible for stakeholder management and all change management aspects. Professional requirement. Project management competence, both in traditional and agile project environments. It is also helpful to have specialist knowledge from the respective project area to be aware of specific requirements and challenges. Additionally, understanding legal and financial aspects related to contracts, budgets, and the legal framework helps the project manager perform effectively. Digitalization is becoming increasingly important, and familiarity with key software and basic knowledge further completes the skills set required. Methodology. Especially in the area of planning and organization, the project manager must be able to define their goals and create schedules based on them. Regarding risks, they must be methodically capable of evaluating and controlling them to avoid jeopardizing the success of the project. Social skills. Clear, understandable, and targeted communication is essential. However, the project manager should also always have an understanding of the needs and challenges of the team and the stakeholders. Leadership skills. The topics of leadership, delegation, and conflict management should not be neglected. The project manager must present the topic in a motivating way and convey a clear vision to the team. To achieve this, they must act as a role model. Tasks must be assigned to the right people, and the project manager should be able to recognize and address potential tensions within the team at an early stage. In my opinion, this is perhaps the most important point. And finally, personal skills. Resilience, dealing with stress and pressure, reacting flexibly to unexpected changes, as well as the assertiveness in decision making and the implementation of planned measures, complete the profile of the project manager. In this video, we learned about the everyday work of a project manager and the qualifications they should possess. With this, we have reached the end of the long video series on project management and laid the foundation for many more ideas. Let us know in the comments which topics interest you further. On our channel, you will also find other exciting videos about SAP. Subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.